right, here we are in the second video of lesson 18, and you should be on page 153 in your book, and you'll see this exact same thing displayed there. So, what do we have here? We have a tape diagram with 3 9s and 3 16s. So we want to try and write a word problem that goes with this area model, right? So 3 9s and 3 16s. Maybe 3 things that cost $9 and 3 things that cost $16, right? So make sure you're writing this down in your book. I want to buy a pack of cards that costs $9, and I'm going to buy 3 packs. I also want to buy 3 stuffed animals for my sisters. The stuffed animals are $16 each. How much do I need to spend? All right, better make that a little bit bigger for us there. All right, and you're writing down this word problem or something close to it that you came up on your own, where we're taking our 3 9s and adding them together with our 3 16s, and you see the question mark is up here on the top. Okay, if you didn't finish writing it down, please pause me and get that written down. And we're going to go on to number 3. Number 3 looks like this. So something is a total of 96. We see the 96 on the top. And then we have 33, and then we have 3 smaller parts, and one of them is our question. So what would be a good word problem for this? Well, we have our total of 96. So let's talk about donuts. I made 96 donuts. Let's make a malasadas. I made 96 malasadas for a bake sale. All right, now let's see if I can stretch it here before we start going on. Yeah, there we go. Okay, and you're copying this down along with me, right? I made 96 malasadas for a bake sale. I sold 33 of them, okay? Because you see how this 33 is bigger and kind of by itself. And then I put the remaining malasadas into 3 boxes. All right, to drop off for my friends. Okay, so you know, like those boxes that you put donuts in, right? So I had 96 malasadas. I sold 33 of them, and then I put the remaining into 3 boxes to drop off to my friends. And I put the same number in each. I put the same number of malasadas into each box. How many malasadas are in each box? How many malasadas is each of my friends going to get? Okay, and we're just writing the word prompts to go with it, but I want to know how many malasadas each friend's going to get, don't you? Okay, so our expression would be 96 minus 33, right? And that would need to be in parentheses because I need to do that first. Oh, what happened here? Somehow it got moved down a little bit. There we go. Okay. All right, well, we're just going to have to use that for now. And then well, sorry about that. If you didn't get it written down, you're going to have to go back and get it. But 96 parentheses, not 96 minus 33 divided by, and divided by 3, right? Okay, does that make sense? So what would that be? 96 minus 33 would be 63. 63 divided by 3 would be 21. Yeah, so each one gets 21. So 21 would go in each of these boxes. All right, let's go to the next problem. 24 minus 6 divided by 3. Hey, it sounds a little bit like what we just did, right? Yeah, but now instead of the tape diagram, we have the expression. So let's think of a word problem that would go with this expression. I have 24 of something. I give away 6, and then I'm going to divide what I have left over, right? Okay, let's try cookies. I made 24 cookies. You can write your own, or you can copy mine, either one, but you need to have something when I check your work, right? When you do your must do, I want to see your notes as well. So make sure you're getting this written down. I made 24 cookies, but 6 of them were burnt. So I threw them away. I gave the rest of the cookies to my 3 friends. If each friend gets the same amount of cookies, how many cookies does each friend get? All right, that's a pretty good story, isn't it? Yeah? So 24 minus 6. 24 minus 6, that would be 18, right? Divided by, see if I can copy this division sign. No. The only way to do a division sign on a computer, there's a certain keys you can do where you can copy and paste it. I'm just going to write divided by 3. And that would be 6. So each of my friends got 6 cookies. Nice. All right. Right. Again, if you don't have it copied down, please pause, get it copied down, because we're going to go on to number 5. In the next video, we will see number 5. All right. Thanks, you guys. Aloha.